Taking off. Yeah, I guess I got some trim in my rudder I didn't know about until I had no crosswind. Shit, visibility sucks, Rob. We're gonna have to stay at this altitude or it'll suck.
Tuck it in a little bit.
That's a good altitude, I think. Okay. I automatically pulled back on the stick a bit. I'll be outside then, or you're... Right turn, I see. That was kind of cool. That was kind of cool. I could tell you were doing 2 loops. I couldn't see you. I just heard it. Well, your flying is tighter than I am, so you keep up with me just from that. Right turn. Well, I don't know where you're at, so I'm trying to stay outside of you. I'm just being careful. I'm going to gain a little altitude, straighten out here, and start a right turn.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
I can't tell where you're at. I feel like I'm passing you or something. I think it's just perspective. Oh God. Woo! I don't know. No idea where I was. I know, I'm nervous now. Gotta work on that.
That was pretty close, wasn't it?
It looked like it, yeah. I'm right turn. And right turn. I'll try to stay outside.
Outside the runway or outside the
Inside the runway, outside the turn. I'll go up the middle if I can. There we go. Right turn. Sounds awesome. And right turn, I'll stay outside. Up the middle for me. Sounds good. And gentle right turn, I guess We're both in the same spot, so be careful.
You went wide, so now we're way up.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Right turn. I'll go outside.
There's a big loop in the middle.
Okay. Who's ahead? I don't know.
I'm gonna make mine tighter, otherwise we'll stall out.
Cool.
The corner.
Right turn outside.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
This cloud's like black.
Yeah, I know. It's hard to see the damn airplanes. Makes me a little more nervous. Right turn.
These are always hard to see. It's all one color.
And I'm always nervous, so what's the difference? I'm new to this formation stuff. Right turn.
Well, your turns are slightly inconsistent because you're either going wide or tight.
Well, it's because I didn't call it and I banked and I didn't pull back. And so that was my fault. Okay, right turn. And I'll try to not gain altitude like I always do. I don't know if you're high or low or... I should have stuck it out and assumed we had separation, like right turn if it's not obvious. Yeah. Oh, yeah. How's your fuel? You got a lot? All right. Right turn. Woo!
Whoa.
I don't know, but that was pretty... Somebody hit... I saw debris. I saw chunks.
We had more separation.
I saw dust, and I saw debris.
Gear
down.
I think I was behind you, so I might have...
All right, I'm just...
No, I got one elevator. I'm coming in. I got 2 gear. Woo, that was... So you hit me. Are you coming in
Yes, landing.
right now?
Yes. You can come in right on me. I don't care.
No. I'm still got control for the moment. That's the second time I've had a mid-air with an airplane and not totally lost it.
Throttle cut.
Yeah, my prop's fucked. All right, Rob, you're on camera, I think. Holy shit, paddle damage! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my god!
You're flying.
Holy shit! Look at that crap! We gotta get a close-up of this. One prop.
That looks like more damage.
Yeah, it does. God damn! Holy shit! You are still flying. Dude, I'm sorry, man.
I can't even imagine how lucky you are.
Well, we saw a big powder puff.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I did. Holy shit. I'm sorry, Rob.
Well, I don't know what to do now.
What do you mean?
Order parts.
They don't sell parts other than the cowl and the
Okay. Duplicate that in the mirror image, and you got all the parts here.
Oh no, that's exactly what I'm gonna have to do.
Yeah.
This is garbage.
Holy smokes.
That thing just
Oh
got
man.
blasted.
Please tell me there's a flashing light right here.
Where? Yeah, it's
Oh,
flashing up top.
Got it on video. But it was so far away. We'll be lucky to see the dust. But I saw the freaking debris.
Yeah, we all saw it. close calls.
All right,
and one
so
hit, right?
I need to get a Soviet star and stick it right there. Can I borrow that one?
Yeah, I probably got an extra somewhere.
That's awesome.
I'm surprised.
I don't know why we're happy because it was cool, but tomorrow you're gonna be pissed because you're not flying. But that was pretty fucking cool.
Well, you know, you're just so way lucky that it's still flying and you
mean
landed it.
The weekend.
That was,
It's
yeah,
gonna be
that was
bring it
amazing.
out like that. Be like, let's go, boys.
Just set it out there and make up some story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, bring it out next week and don't even touch it. Just bring it out. Hey, check this out.
I'm just